Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to your people in it. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. Will remember in prayer, and bye.